Let's see the story of sound V. The name of this letter is V and the sound of this letter, here is the story. So, Vicky was a young boy. Vicky was a young boy. He lived in a village. Yes, and Vicky was very good at playing violin. And Vicky was very strong because he loved to eat all the vegetables. And Vicky used to go to school every day in school van. And when the van uncle drove the van, the sound came like van, violin, vegetables. Okay, children? So the sound of letter V is van. Okay? Now practice this sound again and again.